So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of tasks listed out right here. And if I want to view a certain task, then I need to go around and use the scroll bar right here, especially if it is zoomed in right here. If I were to zoom it out, then you can see all of the tasks right here. But if I were to zoom in, you can see that I can only see certain tasks right here on the Gantt chart area right here. But if I want to go around and view, let's say, a certain task right here, like shooting over here, then what you can do is you can go around onto the task tab right here, and then you can click on scroll to task. Once you do that, what happens is that you get scrolled on to the particular task that you chose right here. Let's say I'm going to go around onto publishing section right here. And once you do that, you can go around onto scroll to task, and you can see that you get scrolled out to that particular task right there, just like this. So you can go around over here, click on scroll to task, and then without having to find the task manually, it just scrolls it automatically for you. And that is how you can view the task easily in the Gantt chart area right here, just by clicking on this button. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.